Hi, this is freestyle. I'm taking a break, took a shower. So hear me turn around. Anyways, hey, I wanted to say, what was I gonna say? Freestyle? Freestyle? Do 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 do. Oh, I didn't wash my clothes. It smells like toe jam. Oh, look, you can't even see me. Alright, perfect. Alright, so I had this idea. Was it believing freestyle? You know? No, believing, bleeding, bleeding, breathing, breathing, bleeding. I mean, it's like bleeding, bleeding, breathing, bleeding. This is just only for entertainment purposes. So I was actually thinking about something. I lost it. I got to thinking all this other shit. Look, there's some coming down on me. Yeah, there's something over there in the tree. Alright, let's talk about this, since I can't remember what I was going to say. Look at this pine tree. It's fucking awesome. It's like a California pine tree or something. You see it? Like, it doesn't have two. You know how the only one I've ever seen has the one that comes out, two of them. They had it in Wisconsin. You'll see that? Isn't it gorgeous? And it's like tiger stripe. Are they carrying a boat? Hey, let's go see if they're carrying a boat. Hold on a second. Well, he probably is because it was empty going the other way. Oh, I just asked down my pants. Look. Doesn't that suck? Was that weird? Oh, he is. He must be because he's straining. Oh yeah, look at this houseboat. Oh my god. It's crazy. It's so awesome to be in love. Tripping balls. Look how big this boat is. No room. No room. No room, bro. No room?
We can barely fit, man. Barely fit. I think he should have turned around, but...
What is that thing go in and out this way? No, it only goes that way. You got it.
No, back here we gotta turn around up here because it was about this much, that much we needed.
That much he needed. It was fucked up. I should have recorded him. He said he needed like 2 feet more. They took it up. Oh, that's right. That's the boat they took up there earlier. Isn't that crazy? We'll stick you right here. Can I bounce you there? Isn't that nuts? Rocking and rolling. Singing and swinging. Whoops, sorry. Alright, so this is what we're building to go look for treasure. Can you see that? I'm not looking at the camera. So, we blow a hole, push the sand, make a hole, and then try to find the treasure.